everybody, hope you're all doing well today. As you can see, it's that time of the year. Snow is here. It's unusually cold for this early in November in this part of the state in Wisconsin here, but you know, it is what it is. Snow's here. So today I've got the 7.3 in the garage ready to be worked on. There's a few things that I want to take a look at today. And first of all, I want to take a look at the brakes. Okay, all the brakes on this truck will need to be replaced at some point, but I want to take a look at them, make sure that they're not horrendous, and bleed the brakes too. They need to be bled because all new brake lines, new ABS module, and they need to be bled. But I need somebody here to help me, so I gotta wait till a little bit later. Anyways, gotta do that. Gotta take a look at the e-brake. I've got a new e-brake cable. I'll show you that in a second. That goes on that side of the truck, goes to the rear wheels, rear drums. I want to put the front seat, the driver's seat, just the driver's seat for now. But I want to put a front seat because driving this thing around, you know, in the driveway here is a pain. Trying to sit on the floor, it just doesn't work very well. So I want to get that in. And there's a few other little odds and ends. Don't know if I'll get to them today or not, but yeah, I figured I'd take you along with. Has been a while since I've made an actual video working on this truck, so the goal is next spring to have it running. Well, I shouldn't say it. It runs and drives, but roadworthy. Okay, we need to shore up a few things: brakes, e-brake, interior. You know, make sure everything is tight, because this thing was taken apart down to the frame and we don't want any loose components. So that's the goal. By springtime, have it roadworthy, and then we'll see about, you know, summer, maybe getting a paint job. I don't know, we'll see. But piece by piece, there's no rush, no timeline, no serious timeline. You know, just take my time and here and there. So that's what a project is, right? So all right, let me show you what we've got to work with on this side here. Okay, so here you can see the back end of the e-brake here. This is going to need to be replaced. Both of these need to be replaced. I haven't ordered new ones yet, but I've got a new piece for the front e-brake that will run all the way from the top, or the front of the truck there, runs its way back and connects to these. So got to replace that, and eventually replace those. But first, before we do that, we need to get front end up in the air, and I want to take a look at those brakes. So if you haven't seen it, I have put a little bit of the front end back together. So this piece here, as you can see, it's broken. I need to take that off, and I need to weld that together. And I don't want to put it all the way back together because at some point I'm probably going to be painting it. But then again, I want to drive it down the road, so whatever. Anyways, we got to get this front jacked up, and we got to get these wheels off so we can check the brakes and see what we're working with here. So here we go. Okay, so as you can see, these brakes are in pretty rough shape. Like I said, these will need to be replaced, and not just the brake pads and the rotors, but the caliper needs to be replaced too. I mean, it is just pretty rusty crusty. So very least needs a new new line, but yeah, no, so they're in pretty bad shape, and they're gonna need to be replaced for sure. So okay, moving on to the e-brake. Here is our brand new Ray Bastos brake line. Anyways, I gotta get these out and start figuring out how to install that onto that. So here we go. Alright, I've got the e-brake in. I actually reused the old cable that goes from there to the cab support, and it runs to the cab support. So I reused that little piece of cable. Show you. That cable there is reused, and then that little piece right there is brand new, and then this whole cable is brand new, and all that this does is runs back here, connects these guys together. So there's a little metal piece that I gotta look for. I know I have it, I don't know where, but that will connect these two, and then need to replace these like I said, and we're in business. Then the e-brake is ready to go, and that's that. So next step is going to be to get the driver's seat in here. I think I'm also going to put the shifter boot, rubber boot on back right here. So I'll get that on there, get the front seat in, and then that'll probably be it for today. We'll go from there, but yeah. Alrighty, so day 2. As you can see, I've got a little bit of progress on the front here. I've got the chrome back on around the headlights. I welded my piece. You're not going to be able to see it. I welded it, and see, it's a lot sturdier. I'm not even going to show you the welds because they're horrendous, but it's okay. And I also got the front seat in and the shifter boot, so now I can actually sit in it to drive it around. And I did find the piece for the e-brake. It's not connected because this is broken, because those have to be replaced yet, but it's on there. And yeah, slowly but surely making some progress. Now I need to, I'm going to lower the truck back down. That's going to be it for now. So yeah, let's finish this up. Okay, wheels are on, tightened down. It's about 15 degrees out today, and I can get this thing started in the cold like this. 15 degrees isn't a problem, but what I'm going to do is I'm still going to plug the block heater in for like 45 minutes to an hour. Just makes it a lot easier, a lot less stress on the starter and everything else. So I'm going to plug that in for about 45 minutes, and then I'm going to start her up and get her out of here, and then we're done for now. So here we go. Alright, so that should do it for today. I know it's not anything too exciting, but that's how these projects go, okay? And I've been doing this continually for a while now. Haven't been documenting them all, so figured this time I'd take you with. And yeah, so hopefully I'll have some more exciting stuff coming up in the future here. Still a lot of work that we need to do. Got to do some work on the front steering. Got to put the bed on it. Got to finish the interior. Okay. So a lot of work to be done. I also have some work that needs to be done to that truck. Okay, that's the work truck. That's the 6.0. And I'm going to be doing the doors and fixing the rust here real soon. So keep an eye out for that. But anyways, like I said, not too much. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like more content on 7.3 and 6.0 and all the stuff that we work on, be sure to like, subscribe, and most importantly, enjoy the rest of your day. All right, thanks for watching.